So on the underarm, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually work on a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm going to pick up one stitch for each of the stitches in this underarm space, so it's more dense. That prevents those armhole holes occurring. And then when I move up the sides here, I'm going to go more to a 2-to-3 ratio, so pick up 2 stitches for every 3 stitches that are there. So we'll start with our first underarm one, and again, as we did with the neckband, I want to get under both legs of the stitch. And that's one picked up there, and remember I need to pick up 8 around here, so it is very much going to be a 1-to-1 ratio. Here's our next one. 2. Because this is such a tiny garment, we're now working vertically up the side. 3, 4, am I going to get enough in here? Yes, I am, if I'm careful. 4, oops, both legs. 5. So I'll carry on around and I'll come back to you when I'm done, and then we'll look a few rows in so we can see how the sleeve sits within the garment. So I now have my 32 stitches on my DP ends. The goal is a smooth curve with no puckering and no gaps. What we want is for the sleeve to look like it's growing naturally out of the body. Now I'm quite pleased with how that's worked along here. Clean pick-up edges make all the difference, especially around necklines and sleeves. If you find this helpful, you're very welcome to like the video or subscribe for future tutorials. Once again, thank you for spending time knitting with me today. I'll see you next time.